Once upon a time, in a quaint little town in Pakistan, lived two brothers named Amish and Aizen. Amish, the elder brother, was known for his quick thinking and resourcefulness, while Aizen, the younger one, had a heart full of compassion and bravery. Together, they made an unstoppable team. One sunny afternoon, as Amish and Aizen were playing near the riverbank, they noticed a commotion near an old abandoned warehouse. Curiosity piqued, they decided to investigate. Hidden behind a stack of crates, they peered into the dimly lit warehouse and were shocked to see a man with a hood, gripping the hand of a terrified little boy named Noah. Realizing that Noah was in grave danger, Amish and Aizen sprang into action. They knew they had to save him from the clutches of the kidnapper. With their hearts pounding and adrenaline rushing through their veins, they devised a plan. Amish, being the older and more agile of the two, would distract the kidnapper while Aizen sneaked around to free Noah. As Amish approached the warehouse entrance, he pretended to be lost and in need of assistance. The kidnapper, being lured by Amish's act, reluctantly stepped outside, leaving Noah momentarily unguarded. Aizen seized the opportunity and quietly tiptoed toward Noah, who was trembling with fear. Gently, Aizen whispered reassuring words, assuring him that they were there to rescue him. The little boy's teary eyes filled with hope as he nodded, placing his trust in these brave brothers. Meanwhile, Amish engaged the kidnapper in a conversation, skillfully diverting his attention from the warehouse. He kept him engaged with stories and riddles, buying precious time for Aizen to work his magic. Aizen meticulously untied the ropes that bound Noah's hands and feet, being careful not to make any noise. With each knot unraveled, Noah's hope grew stronger, fueling their determination. As Aizen finished freeing Noah, they all knew the next challenge awaited them, escaping from the clutches of the kidnapper without being noticed. They decided to make their way to the nearby forest, using its dense foliage as cover. Silently, like shadows in the night, the brothers guided Noah through the dark alleyways, constantly aware of the looming danger behind them. They could hear the kidnapper's footsteps drawing nearer, their hearts racing with each passing second. With the forest in sight, Amish, Aizen, and Noah gathered their last ounces of strength and sprinted towards the safety it promised. The rustling leaves and the sound of their pounding hearts echoed through the forest as they dashed through the trees, their pursuer close behind. As they neared the edge of the forest, they stumbled upon a police officer patrolling the area. Gasping for breath, Amish and Aizen explained the situation, and the officer quickly radioed for backup. Within moments, the sound of sirens filled the air as more officers arrived, surrounding the area. The kidnapper was apprehended, and Noah was finally safe. Amish and Aizen watched with relief and pride as Noah was reunited with his worried parents, who showered the brothers with gratitude. The town hailed Amish and Aizen as heroes, recognizing their bravery and selflessness. From that day forward, Amish and Aizen became local legends, known for their unwavering courage and determination. Their bond as brothers grew even stronger, and they continued to protect and stand up for those in need. The story of Amish, Aizen, and the kidnapped little boy, Noah, became a tale of hope, resilience, and the power of brotherhood. It served as a reminder to the people of Willowbrook that even in the darkest of times, heroes could emerge from unexpected places, ready to face any challenge that came their way.